In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to set up and play God of War Ghost of Sparta on any PC device. I will also be revealing the best controller to utilize so you can fully enjoy the gameplay on any PC. So do make sure to stick to the end. Now simply start by searching for PPSSPP for PC. You are going to see the official website for PPSSPP at the top. So simply click on it. Now you see the download option. Click on download. Then it's going to ask you which device you want to download it on. Obviously, we're going to need it for a PC device. So we'll come to this Windows section and we'll click on the PPSSPP installer. It's going to ask you which folder you want to download it on. So simply click on any folder and then select save, and just like that it has started downloading the emulator. So right now it is done. So I'm going to open the folder and then I'm going to start installing this emulator to my PC. You can see the emulator I've opened up for the first time. Now once it's done opening up like this, go to your file manager and check the document section. You should see PPSSPP folder has been automatically created in there. So right now let me quickly show you guys how to add a game in here to play. It's quite easy. So first of all, locate a game file, any game file at all that you know you want to play. Then once you locate this game file, simply copy the game file, go to the document section, locate the PSP game folder. So this is the game folder, and then paste that game in there. So right now you can see this is actually a zip file, so we're going to need to extract it. So right click on it, we're going to see the extract option. If you are not seeing the extract option, go and download WinRAR to your device so you'll be able to extract zip files. So right now I'm going to extract this in here. So let's give it some time to finish extracting. Alright, it is done extracting. So simply go ahead and delete the zip file because you are not going to be using that. Then once we come in here now, we'll click on PPSSPP PSP game. You can see the game is there and is ready to play. Now you are going to be needing a controller for this, and the best controller that you can actually utilize is the Xbox 360 controller. So I'm going to insert my controller right now. As you can see, my Xbox controller is connected. So I'm actually controlling everything now with the controller. So now go to your settings. This graphics section, go to the rendering resolution. So once you get in here, if you are using a PC that's quite powerful, go for 4x PSP. But if you are using a very powerful PC, you can go for 8x PSP. As for me, I will go for 4x PSP. Then I'm going to activate full screen. So you can see it's now on full screen. Then frame skipping, set to 2, auto frame skip, activate it, and then you can start playing your game. It's very simple and easy to do. Now let's give this game a try and see how it goes. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.